Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be testing out the TESMEN pin style moisture meter. They sent it to me to give it a try, so we're going to give this thing a try, see what it's like. Be nice to have a handy little pin type hanging around. You see the unboxing video is going to be right up over here. Nothing to it really. Meter, directions, and actual Duracell batteries, which is surprising. So let's see how it works. Okay. First appearance, seems to be very well made, good solid piece. It's got a power button you hold. It's got a backlit green LED which indicates low moisture level. If I touch it to my skin, it shows red, which is high moisture content. It's got different modes for different materials. Modes 1 and 2 are for various types of wood. So we'll go to mode 1. And we'll stick a piece of maple. We're at 11.7% maple. We get a little closer to the middle, it should probably go, yeah, it's right about the same, just a little bit different there. This is cherry here. Being a pin type, you kind of got to push it in there. 11.1, 11.5. This is all dried lumber out of my shop. Again, high moisture is going to trigger it to a red LED and then give you. This is treated fir, which shows it's about 10.7, 10.5, 10.4. Quite happy and quite impressed with it. I think this would come in very handy in a small shop like mine. Something I will keep in my apron pocket. Powered off. It does have an auto power off too, so if you leave it on, it'll automatically shut off. But you can find them on TikTok. They're like 20 bucks. I'll see if I can get a link for them to put in the video. But it works very well so far from what I see. Just a few minutes I've used, it's compared to everything else I've tested, it's right on par. So give them a try. They also have multimeters and other tools too, so they are a measuring company. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Give these guys a shot.